Hi, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. My name is Lynn and I work at the Cumberland Library. I'm doing some cooking for the library. We're doing virtual programming during the pandemic. We can't get together and do in-person programming, so this is what we're doing. I've done some other cooking shows, videos, and I've done a couple recently that are, good for like holiday. So things that are good to give away for the holidays to a neighbor or teacher or a bus driver or somebody that you just want to say happy holidays and thank you for what you do. Making homemade marshmallows today. So real quick, I'm going to tell you what you need. You need plain gelatin. You need sugar. You need salt, confectioner's sugar, light corn syrup, and cooking spray. What else? A pan lined with plastic wrap and sprayed, which I haven't done yet, and I will. And a little bit of salt, vanilla extract. I don't know if I already said that. I'll go over that again later. I kind of already started because this process, the first thing that you do, takes a little bit of time. It takes 10 minutes. And what it is it's half a cup of cold water in your mixing bowl and sprinkle 3 packets of that gelatin over the top. So sprinkle it over, don't dump it in a big pile. Sprinkle it over and set your timer for 10 minutes. It needs 10 minutes to bloom and turn, into a gelatin. So I've got that going already. I've got a few more minutes for that. So I'm going to do the second part, which is the sugar mixture. And this is regular sugar. This is not the confectioner's sugar. I put 2 cups in here. And now I'm going to put 2/3 cup of corn syrup in here. And what else do I need in there? Water, and that's it. So we're going to go cook that over there. I'll take you with me. But let me get the corn syrup in here. I'm going to I need a 1/4 cup of water. I don't have a videographer, so I'm, have to move around the kitchen, and I can't always take you with me. So this is going to be 2/3. So there's 1. I mean, this is like all sugar, but they're so good. They're so fluffy and amazing, and you'll never want to eat a marshmallow out of a bag again, but you will. All right, so that's in there. And so, just going to give it a stir. I'm going to take you over here with me. And let's see. There we go. Get that cooking on the stove. Just going to stir it. Whoa, that flame. Just going to, come on, hello. This is really not very good at this. So we're just going to stir. Hang on. All right. Here we go. We're stirring. We're just stirring until the sugar, turn that down. Don't want it super high, just till it's combined and all over your stove, which I just did. Why can't I get this right? Here we go. I'm so sorry. There we go. Get it all combined. This is not easy. All right. All mixed, just till it's mixed. Okay, so what's going to happen now is, assuming everything goes right, we're going to get it to a boiling point, which it's getting there now already. And then you're going to boil it for 1 minute. All right, well, we are finally at the stage we need to be. It's been boiling for a minute. So we're going to pour it into here. You want to be really, really careful, because it's super, super hot. So we're going to get this going real slow. Pour that in. And the gelatin looks kind of goopy, but don't worry, because this hot liquid is going to melt it. Get it all incorporated. So pour it in real slowly. This is why having a stand mixer is good. Turn that baby up. It's hot. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to really turn it up high. And it has to do this for 10 to 12 minutes or until it's cool. And you're going to see it transform. It's really quite cool. So I'm going to pause, because you certainly don't want to watch me for 10 more minutes. And I'll be back. Hello again. We're just about cool. We're only at 8 minutes. But you can tell when it starts to cool down, it's just about ready. You can see it getting all sticky and fluffy, and I'll show you. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to throw some vanilla in there and let that blend, and then we're going to be done. Smells good. I could just throw in there and take a nap. So pillowy and luscious looking. All right. Okay, so now we've got our pan. I sprayed it. Just gonna spray it again. Super sticky, like I said. All right. Check that out. Marshmallow. Oh my gosh. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do, spray your clean hands, both of them. Spray your spatula. Okay, let's get this off. And get that fluffy wonderfulness out of there. Get that into the pan. Going to be using your hands to smoosh that down, so that's why I sprayed them, and now everything's slippery. But this is what we're going to do. It came out great. This has a handle. Why don't I use it? Get that all in there. Yeah. Didn't take quite 10 minutes. But so the confectioner sugar doesn't come into play till later. So what's going to happen is this is going to have to set for several hours. It's so sticky. So like 3 or 4 or overnight even. It's like, I feel like it's getting even stickier as time goes on. So spread it out. Probably don't need to use your hands. You've got a good sprayed spatula there. But nevertheless, get it all into the corners. All right, I'll wash my hands real quick. Okay. Because I'm going to cover it now with plastic wrap, and it's going to sit and sit and sit and sit. So you want the plastic wrap to sit right on top. So I'm going to smoosh it down on top like that. It's like a pillow. You just want to sleep on it. And that's it. It's going to sit, it's going to set, it's going to get firmer, and then you'll be able to cut it, and you'll turn it on to a board or something that has confectioner sugar. I'll show you that after. I'm going to pause you again, and we'll show you how to cut it up, and it'll be all sugary and pillowy and delicious. So I will see you a little bit later. Hi, I'm back. I'm going to finish off my marshmallows. They've set up for, I don't know, it's been probably 3 hours or so, and they're feeling pretty firm. They're firmed up. As they cool, they get nice and firm. So all you need now is a knife and something to put them on. I'm going to use this cutting board to turn them out, and I'm going to get some powdered sugar on that board so they don't stick. So instead of flouring your board, you're going to sugar your board. All right. Be generous. All right, they should pop right out because we've greased and we've taken care of with the saran wrap, made sure that it wasn't going to stick to anything. Look at that. Like a little pillow, sticky pillow. Okay. Don't lick your fingers. Okay. All right, I'm going to just flip it over. Okay, and you're going to want to sprinkle powdered sugar on both sides. It actually kind of keeps it from being super sticky, if that makes any sense. It kind of acts like flour would, but lots of powdered sugar. So we're just going to cut them any size you want. Sticky. Make nice little squares. I imagine you could maybe use cookie cutters and make them different shapes. But look at that. Came out great. Really easy. I mean, it's 2 steps. Took me maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. Very few ingredients. And like I said before, you could crush up some of those peppermint candies, the red and white, and sprinkle those over the top. That would be really cool. And then, and if you flavored the marshmallows with like peppermint extract, that would add to it even more. So you're just gonna cut them up, put them in whatever vessel you're putting them in to give them away as gifts. Give them with some hot cocoa, give them with a mug, give them just like this. They are absolutely delicious and not anything like the ones you buy in the store. Just going to keep cutting these up. I'll get them packed up later on. I'm going to be sending some to California to my son. And I know they liked them last time. I sent hot chocolate too. All right, that is pretty much all there is to it. I didn't have to let them set overnight. They set for you know, like 3 hours, and that was plenty. So super easy, fun. Join me again. I made white chocolate Chex Mix. That's going to be up on YouTube later. So check that out. That's also another gift. It makes a ton. Super easy. Check out our YouTube page. Keep checking us out. We're going to be doing lots of stuff. See you soon.